Hi there, my name is Mark Trevina. Welcome to the tvONE booth here at InfoComm 2017. We're on the last day here now, so starting to thin out, but the first couple of days were ram-packed on this stand, especially people really interested in this exhibit. Here we're showing our entire range of switcher scalers, including Corio Master, yes, as well as a video controller. It is a video processor and a video switcher scaler as well. We're showing the C2750, the 6104 and the 2855. Let me just stop this sequence and I'll just take you through a number of situations, and I'll just go through these quickly, but I think it will show you the depth and breadth of what we can do with our scaling. So this is the C2750. It's under half RU, so it's a great compact unit at a great price point, and it's much more than just a scaler. It does switching, scaling, keying, borders, transparency. So here we've got a medical application, so we've got the MRI scan, and we've got an X-ray coming down as well. And we've scaled them, we've added transparency in the borders, so we can start collaborating together. I mean, that's in medical, but what about if we went to corporate? You know, this is, for such a small scaler, it just makes collaboration so easy. So here we've got our video conference, we've got our PowerPoint. Bang, we're off, we're collaborating, but equally it could be 2 PowerPoint presentations. This unit's got 2 scalers, that's how I can do 2 windows like this. You know, if we go up the range a little bit, the 2855, so this is like slightly larger, it's half width, 1 RU, 6 inputs, 5 outputs. Once again, up-down cross conversion, keying, but it also adds a still image store and logos as well. So here we have a medical application. And what we've got here is we've got a kind of not a standard input resolution, so maybe it's 1650, 1050 or something not quite standard, and they want to put it on an output screen that is low cost, because quite often medical gear will have custom resolutions in and out, so, and you have to buy highly calibrated monitors, but what a lot of people want to do is do a repeat screen for students, for example. So we've rescaled this. We've also added a logo in at the top as well. So we've added extra value on top of switching and scaling. You know, if we take that to the next level, you know, say we're in staging. So this is like a staging. So this is the same unit. Now I'm doing picture-in-picture. If you notice in here, I've got some transparency. I could have keyed through here as well. And I've got my 2 catwalks. I've added a logo over here. And if you look closely, you can see that the text has got an alpha channel cutting through, and you can also see I've got transparency in the red, and then I've added a cool looking kind of Polaroid, kind of retro border around it as well, just to kind of give it extra interest. So yeah, I'm doing switching, I'm doing scaling, but I'm doing picture-in-picture, I'm doing logos as well. You know, if we take that another stage, maybe I want to change that, one of those sources, for a still. You know, so here I've got a still that just animated in, so I've got, once I've added some transparency, I could key through this as well. So I've got this, you know, this is in a kind of events kind of base, but it could be for corporate collaboration. So these could be 2 PowerPoints we could be switching between, or, you know, and then we've branded ourselves. Once again, we've added our logo. So this means that, you know, if you're a school, you could put the school logo. If you're a university, or if you're a live venue, you can add your logo and add value, and you can brand yourself. Your brand is important, so it's got to be included. Now, if we go up the range a little bit more to the 6104, 6104's got 4 scalers. Yeah, so here we're doing medical. We've now got 4 different things. So we've got our MRI scan, once again rescaled, X-rays, and life signs as well. You know, let's look at a couple more applications. Yeah, so it's transition. This is now corporate with 4 sources. So we've got our video conference, 3 PowerPoints, and I've got 50 presets on this unit, so I could quickly switch this to full screen, or change the windows. I could overlap them, change the border colors, change the text, whatever I want to do. And this one's kind of funky. This is a live events. So once again, I've used transitions. It's now going to slide back in. So I got this time I got my 2 catwalks again, but I got this lady, and this lady was a still, and I've keyed her through. So I've cropped her in, and then I've keyed through to make this beautiful orange glow behind her, just to add like additional texture to this beautiful piece. You know, if we go to the full range, so let's go to Corio Master. And we've done another video for Corio Master with Rave, This is Corio Master. Instead of in a creative environment, we're in command and control. So we can have up to 36 windows, and they can come from a variety of sources. So it could be 4K HDMI, could be 1080p over HDMI, could be an IP stream, could be local media, could be playing off a USB stick, could be 4K HD-Base-T, it could be HD SDI or 3 SDI. We don't mind, we can mix all of it together. It's like pick a mix, Do you remember when you used to go to the sweet store and just pick one of each? You can do that with us. So that's control rooms. What about rental staging? So now we're going to add value to the rental staging area with Corio Master. So we've got side screens showing the designer that's currently on. We've added a logo area here, and we've got a couple of views, and once again we've got the logo on top. If we move this into into corporate collaboration, you can see now we've got more windows to play with. We've got 30 or so windows that we can animate. So I've got the main presentations here. Down the left-hand side, I've got all the sources that are available that I could switch to. So that's our switching scaling family. So it's the 1T C2 750 was the entry level, then the C2 2855, C2 6104, and finally Corio Master, still being used in a creative way, but we're using it then for multi-windowing. And that's what this is about. Multi-windowing is about adding an experience for the viewer. It's adding collaboration perhaps as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to find out more, go to our website, www.tvone.com. We have got a series of YouTube clips ourselves, so as well as the great rave clips that we've been working on, we have our own website and YouTube site called tvONE-AV. So go to YouTube, tvONE-AV, and there's some more unboxings, and there's some more of this kit in use as well. My name's Mark. Thanks for dropping by the InfoComm booth here at 2017, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.